Hey y'all, it's Yvonne. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year! It's 2023 and it's been a minute since I posted here. Today, we're going to be making Queen Locks. It's inspired by Wine Jean, a creator here on YouTube. So let's get into it. In today's video, I'm only going to be showing you how I install these lock extensions on my hair. I pre-made them and I'll probably make another video if you are interested. If you're interested, let me know in the comment section to show you how I made this from scratch. But now I'm going to be installing this lock extension on my hair, and I have different lengths for different parts of my hair as usual. And the lock extension has two parts at the beginning of the hair, which is what we're going to be using to install this hair on my hair. I hope you followed this video carefully and look at it closely because it's going to be detailed. So let's begin. So first, I'm showing you how there are two parts of the Afro kinky hair coming out of the lock extension. So first, you're going to pass your crochet hook through your braids and bring out the shorter end of the lock. That's the shorter end of the Afro kinky hair. You're going to bring it out and then you wrap it around the lock extension. When you're done wrapping the short end around the lock extension, you use the crochet pin to pass the hair, the braid that you have made through the lock. So the piece of braid that you have made with your hair, you pass it through the lock until it's no longer visible. When you've passed it through, you take the longer end of the lock extension, that is the longer Afro kinky hair, and then you wrap loosely around the lock. You just basically wrap in to cover up any parts of your hair that might be visible. Once you've done this, you can use your hand to ruffle it up a bit and you have made the first lock. Passing my hair through the lock extension was not as easy as I thought it was going to be, and that was a mistake on my part because I should have made the locks to be loose, but rather I think I made them, some of them, tighter, so it was harder to pass my hair through it. But if your locks are softer, if they're not as dense as mine, your hair should be able to pass through easily and it won't take you as much time to install these locks. I deliberated on whether to post the videos or not because I think I forgot that my camera became hazy after I took a break while filming the beginning of the video. So when I started making this other half of the video, I did not know that my camera was not clear. So the videos ended up being blurry, but I didn't know what to do, whether to not post at all, because I can't go back and redo this part since I was already done with the hair. So I'm sorry for the low quality that you're going to be watching, but I hope you just, push through, because there's some gems waiting for you on the other side. I've come to the front of my hair and I want to show you how to install the locks if it comes with the opening at the beginning. Now, this is not like the other type of lock I showed you where they have two Afro kinky hair hanging out of the locks. This one, you can use a crochet hook to pass it through the way you would install soft locks. So basically, you're passing the lock extension through your hair, and then you're taking the end of your hair and passing it through the roots of your hair using the crochet hook. When you've done that, you then take a piece of Afro kinky hair extension, whichever one you use to make the locks, or whichever one blends better with your hair, and then you use that piece of Afro kinky hair extension to wrap. So you're basically wrapping from the beginning of your hair down to the point where the lock extension starts from, and then you wrap back up to make sure it looks even and has the same width all through. Once you've done this, you ruffle it again to make everything just come together nicely, and there you have it. So you can use either of these methods to install your locks, depending on which one you're more comfortable with and which one is not going to take you as much time to finish. I'm done with my hair now. I made 30 pieces of the queen locks, which I installed on my hair. For some other person with fuller hair, you might need 36 pieces. Depending on how thick the individual locks are, you might even end up putting like 40 to 45 pieces on your hair. I really loved how it turned out. I love the fullness, I love the length, and I think you should try this. Definitely try this. If you'd like to get this lock extension from me, send me a DM on Instagram at von_Lucy, VONN_LUC. My handle is going to be on the screen. And if you'd like me to install this for you, you can hit me up if you're in Abuja or when you come to Abuja, and I'll gladly do it for you. The way I'm packing this hair right now is going to be my go-to way of styling this hair for when I'm not doing anything serious. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell somebody about my channel today. Till next time, bye loves.